Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see spermatogenesis. The sperms, the precursors of the sperms are called primordial germ cells, and the primordial germ cells derived from the yolk sac, or sometimes it's also called epiblast. Both answers are right. From primordial germ cells they convert into spermatids, and from the spermatids they convert into sperms. Total duration of this spermatogenesis is 70 to 74 days, and it begins at puberty in males. Spermatogonia is a primordial germ cell having 44XY genome. There would be mitosis, ongoing mitosis, so many primary spermatocytes will be there. From one spermatogonia there are 16 primary spermatocytes produced. Now the real process of spermatogenesis starts, that is mitotic division. Meiosis division. First meiosis happens, and from primary spermatocytes it becomes secondary spermatocyte, and the genome is divided. In secondary spermatocyte there will be genome like 22X, 22Y, means the genome is cut to half. Now these two secondary spermatocyte will further divide like mitosis, and it's also called the second stage of meiosis. Total 4 spermatids were be formed. So from one spermatogonia 16 primary spermatocytes can be formed, and from one primary spermatocyte 4 spermatids are formed. So total 64 spermatid formed from the one spermatogonia. Now after spermatid the further genetic division will not be there, but instead it will be morphological change, it will be there. So from spermatids we will have definite sperms, and this process is called spermiogenesis. Now how this spermiogenesis occurs, let's see. This is a ovular global spermatid. The spermatid contains one nucleus, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and many microtubules. The nucleus of the spermatid will form the head of the sperm. The Golgi apparatus will form the cap or acrosomal cap of the sperm. Mitochondria will be converted into middle piece, and the microtubules will together form tail. Now there is one process called capacitation. Capacitation is a process in which the sperms get hypermotility. It occurs in fallopian tube before piercing the ovum. Sperm's size is 55 microns, and the fertile span of sperm is on an average 48 hours. Thank you.